Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. So I went ahead and ordered the Maxton V2 front lip splitter. This is a great option if you're looking for like an OEM plus look without breaking the bank and spending like $1,000 to $2,000 on a front lip, like a carbon fiber front lip. We're gonna open this up, see what it comes with, see what it looks like out of the box. I did order this in a gloss finish. My plan is to get it wrapped in like a satin PPF. That way it just matches all the other black plastic trim. This cost about $270 shipped, so it was about $230 plus $40 shipping. And it got here in like 3 days, so yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, get my knife and open up this side first. Well, let's see. It's a pretty big box. Open it like this. All right, there it is. And that's basically what it looks like coming out of the box. So, let's get that opened up. Just an order sheet. Basically there. So you can see packaging. This is Maxton design. Let's get it flipped over. So it looks more satin instead of gloss, which is fine by me because I want it to look satin. But let's get it out of the plastic and see what it looks like. There you guys go. You can see nice gloss finish. I mean, there's some imperfections like here, but you're not really going to see that. That's going to be under the car. You have the Maxton design sticker. I'll probably end up taking that off. There you go. There's the whole thing. So yeah, overall, I mean, pretty happy with the look of it. It is just plastic or polyurethane. Let's just call it plastic. Comes with your little notches where you're gonna have to drill holes, and it uses OEM holes except for the end here. You might have to drill into the bumper either here or here. I'm not 100% sure. I've seen a lot of people use 3M tape here. I think I will end up drilling it up into the bumper. Apparently it only goes to like the black plastic. You can't even see it. So I think I'll end up doing that just to reinforce this on the car. I don't want it, you know, falling off or flexing the bumper down. One more look from the front. Like I said, guys, this is a great option if you want to just change the look of the front end without breaking the bank, because I know like all the front splitters for this car are like insanely expensive except for the Maxton design. They are plastic, they might chip, they could crack, but $240 to $270 to change the look of the car, that's alright by me. And I'll just get this PPF'd just in case any rocks hit it and chips it. And over here, I'm pretty sure this is all the bolts that it's going to use. It is. So we don't really have to worry about undoing that right now. I'll undo that later. But anyway, if you're looking for a Maxton V2 front lip splitter, I got this from maxtondesigns.com. Came in about 3 days, 3 to 4 days, I would say. And yeah, here it is. Next video, I will update you guys with what I got going on to the car, because it is going to be getting a little bit more performance done. And then in the video after that, when I get the car back, we'll probably get this on the car and see what it looks like. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. I know it's a short video. If you did, hit the like button, comment what you want to see in videos in the future, and hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Anyway, guys, hope you have a good day. Peace.